Hello everyone, once again I am Teacher May. And now, as you're seeing, we're going to learn about finding the speed, distance, and time. Okay? Please do pay attention and what? You must remember that here S stands for the speed and D stands for the distance, while T stands for time. Okay? Here's one example. To find the distance, you have to multiply or multiply speed and time. Look here. In this problem solving, it says that EJ took 3 hours or 3 hour drive to Annie's house at 9 kilometers per hour. Now, the question is, how far did EJ drive? So, what are you going to do is to find what is given. And here, the given is the time. Time is 3 hours. And speed is also given. And here, the speed is 9 kilometers per hour. Now, what is asked? Asked is about the distance. It says here that how far did EJ drive? Now, since we are asking about the distance, the solution here is D for distance equals speed times time. Okay? Watch here. I'm going to show you how. Okay? Okay? Please do listen. I'm going to show you how to find the distance. Okay? So, D is for distance. This is for the speed times the time. Okay? Now, distance is 9 kilometers per hour times 3. So, you have to multiply. 9 times 3 is 27 kilometers. So, this is the distance. Okay, now we are going to find the speed. In finding the speed, you have to divide distance and time. One example here is, if a car travels 50 kilometers in 3 hours, what is the average speed? Now, again, you have to look for what is given. Here, distance is given, which is 50 kilometers. And the time is 3 hours. Now, what is asked? It is asked that we find the speed. Now, To find the speed, we have to how? Divide distance, distance divided by time. Okay, here's what you're going to do. Please do listen. Okay, is that clear? Okay, listen again and we will find out the speed. Here's how. For the speed, we have to distance divided by time. How? Let's say 50 kilometer per hour divided by okay, now 50 divided by 3 or 50 divided by 3 equals 16.6 kilometer per hour. So, that is the speed. Okay, you're still good? Now, we will find out the time. In finding the time, we have to again divide distance and speed. Example here is, how long does it take to travel 350 kilometers at an average rate of the speed is 72 kilometers per hour? Now, again, you have to look what is given. Here, distance is given, which is 350 kilometers, while the speed is 72 kilometers per hour. Now, what is asked? Yes, it's the time. And how are we going to find the time? You have to do this. Follow distance over speed. You have to divide or divide. Okay? Again, please do pay attention. Okay, now we'll find out about the time. Listen, okay? Now, time equals D is for distance over the speed. How? Again, this is time (350 kilometer). That's the distance over this is now the speed. If we divide this, now the time is 4.16 hours. Okay?